Have you been on the hunt for a one-bedroom condo in Whistler Village for under $700,000? Well, we've got a one-bedroom at the Alpenglow, 526 square feet, listed at $599,000. Dean Linnell here with the Linnell Group at the Whistler Real Estate Company. Let's go on in, have a look. And here we are, just heading into unit number 511 at the Alpenglow. And as you walk in, you've got a full kitchen right here. You also have dining and living right here. This view goes up towards Whistler. I'll show you that in a second. This view is up to Mount Currie. And then if we turn left, we've got closet obviously, and we've got bathroom with jet tub right here. And we've got a nice big bedroom here. And the views on the bedroom are quite nice. They go out to this deck here, a bit of a wraparound corner deck here on this one. And because you are top floor penthouse here, you've got panoramic views all the way around from Sprout Mountain here, which is where Lord of the Squirrels Trail is. And you've got Cougar Mountain back here, Pemberton off in the distance. You've got Mount Currie right here. This is the Summit Lodge, and this is Main Street down below. And Main Street, you've got Starbucks, Blends Coffee, Artigiano Coffee. Starbucks isn't there anymore. It's a now Artigiano. Down here, of course, you've got some great restaurants. You've got crepes here. You've got Main Street Noodles. And right down here on the corner, you've got Hunter Gather, which is a great restaurant. And of course, right below us here, you've got the Peaked Pies. You've got Splitz Grill, which is fantastic burgers. And of course, Mount Currie Coffee on the corner, which is going to be some of the best coffee in town. Now, let's head back in and take a look inside the suite again. And we'll go through and take a look at that other view. We head through gas fireplace and corner unit, obviously. And we'll just head out here. Another deck. That's the peak of Whistler Mountain there. I can just see the walkway that goes across at the peak there, that big suspended walkway. And if you look down here, you've got the pool for the Summit Lodge. And down here is the Alpenglow's pool and hot tub. And you've got a full gym here. And there's also a dry sauna and change rooms. And right out here, we've got the pool and hot tub zone, which is lovely. Private, facing the forest. Thanks so much for joining me at number 511 Alpenglow. This 526 square foot, one bedroom condo is right in the heart of Whistler Village on Main Street. Lots of shopping all around, priced at $599,000. It is a phase 2 restricted property, which means you can only, as the owner, use it 28 days in the winter and 28 days in the summer. Hope this helps. If you have any questions about real estate in Whistler, DM me below. You can reach out anytime. Thanks. Talk to you soon.